Hey guys, so today I have swatches of the Painted Polish Sweet on You collection. This is their Valentine's Day collection for 2024. I got this just before Valentine's Day and then kind of fell into a deep dark hole and I'm just now getting it done. So there are 8 polishes here altogether. I will link the Painted Polish website down below where you guys can check these out because they are available right now. I also have a coupon/affiliate code with Painted Polish, which will be on the screen and in the description box. 8 polishes altogether, and I will get into the swatches. So the first polish is called Cocoa Crush, and this is described as red and pink metallic flakies in a pale chestnut crelly base. This is very nicely opaque for a crelly base. There are a ton of flakies in here. Some of the flakies do stick up a bit. You can kind of see the texture here even when it's wet, so you will want a good top coat to smooth this out. And since this was pretty opaque on the first coat, it did cover completely in 2 coats, and it's nice that the crelly base can cover the nail line really well in 2 coats, but you don't lose any of those flakies. So that is 2 coats of Cocoa Crush. The next polish is called Confection Affection, and this is described as crushed gold metallic flakies in a candy pink crelly base. Also pretty opaque here. There's a good amount of flakies. These are a slightly different flaky, so they don't have the same texture that the flakies from the previous polish had. You'll still want top coat, but they don't quite stick up as much. This did cover completely for me in 2 coats, and that second coat deepened the color quite a bit, and those flakies stay very bright and very clear in that base. It's not covering them at all. So that is 2 coats of Confection Affection. The next polish is called Blushing Bonbon, and this is described as pink, bronze, black, antique gold, and penny copper metallic glitters in a dusty rose blush crelly base. Great formula on this one, lots and lots of glitter. Because of the base color, I feel like those pink glitters don't really stand out much. You do kind of lose those a bit in the base. You can see them sparkle in there, but you don't really see the color too much. This did cover completely for me in 2 coats. It's absolutely packed with glitter, so there is going to be texture from this, and it is going to be more difficult to remove if you don't like soak it off or use a peel off base coat or something like that. So that is 2 coats of Blushing Bonbon. The next polish is called Courting Cacao, and this is described as red, medium pink, bright pink, and purple metallic glitters in a hot chocolate crelly base. Great formula on this one as well. That's the nice thing about painted polish crellies is they can be absolutely packed with glitter and not be thick at all. This is very nicely opaque on that first coat. All of the glitter colors stand out really well against that base, and this did cover completely in 2 coats. Again, because of the amount of glitter in here, it is going to dry textured. You will want a good top coat to smooth it out, and it is going to be more difficult to remove. So that is 2 coats of Courting Cacao. The next polish is called Ruby Romance, and this is described as a champagne mix of gold and silver reflective glitters, pink galaxy holographic glitters, and micro holographic flakies in a ruby chocolate crelly base. The base on this one is a bit more sheer than the other crellies, so I can see my nail line pretty clearly here on the first coat, but it is absolutely packed with glitter. This covered pretty well for me in 2 coats. I could see you needing 3 just depending on application, how long your nails are, how white your nail line is, but I was good in 2. This will dry very textured because it is a reflective glitter and those tend to be very textured. So you will want a good top coat to smooth this out, maybe 2 coats of top coat even, and it is going to be more difficult to remove. So that is 2 coats of Ruby Romance, and then this is what it looks like under the flash, so you can see what the flash or those bright direct lights will do to the reflective glitters. The next polish is called Truffle Shuffle, and this is described as a champagne mix of gold and silver reflective glitters, pink galaxy holographic glitters, and micro holographic flakies in a rust brown crelly base. Just slightly sheer on the first coat. Overall, the base on this was very saturated, and it's absolutely packed with glitter, and the glitters still stand out really well. The base doesn't drown them out at all. This did cover completely for me in 2 coats. Again, there's a lot of reflective glitter in here and just glitter in general, so it is going to dry very textured and it is going to be more difficult to remove. But even with all that glitter in here, the formula is still really, really good. So that is 2 coats of Truffle Shuffle. And then you can also see what that looks like under the flash. I know this has silver and gold reflective glitters, but I feel like the gold is really what shines when you get the flash on it. The next polish is called Chocolate Wasted, and this is described as a champagne mix of gold and silver reflective glitters, pink galaxy holographic glitters, and micro holographic flakies in a chocolatey crelly base. The base on this was a little bit more sheer than I was expecting after swatching the last polish, so it's very even, but it was more sheer and a little less saturated. Still absolutely packed with glitter. It did cover completely for me in 2 coats. I was pretty solid on 2 coats, but I wouldn't be surprised to hear that someone with longer nails, a whiter nail line, different application method might need 3 coats. I just don't think it's super likely. And again, lots of glitter, lots of texture, difficult removal, yada, yada, yada. So that is 2 coats of Chocolate Wasted. And the last polish is called Oh My Ganache, and this is described as a champagne mix of gold and silver reflective glitters, pink galaxy holographic glitters, and micro holographic flakies in a dark chocolate crelly base. This is a very deep base, so it's pretty nicely opaque, definitely not a one coater, but very nicely saturated. It doesn't cover that glitter at all, and there is a lot of glitter in there. This did cover completely for me in 2 coats, and it was a very solid 2-coater. Same story with the glitter in this as with the other polishes. Lots of texture, more difficult to remove. Like I said, a lot of glitter and a lot of reflective glitter, which I find to be a little bit more textured in general. So that is 2 coats of Oh My Ganache under my filming lights and again with the flash. Okay, so these 3 darker holographic glitters are the only ones that I had reasonable comparisons for. I think I probably could have made comparisons from the other polishes, but for a brand like Painted Polish, it's difficult because there are so many unique elements in every polish. So I might have a base color that looks similar, but it's a completely different glitter color combination, or it's a completely different shimmer, or this one is flakies and this one is a chunkier glitter. And so I didn't really find anything that I felt like, yes, I can show this as a comparison. But for these polishes I did. So first I wanted to show all 3 of them together. Truffle Shuffle, Chocolate Wasted, and Oh My Ganache here. So kind of see the difference there. Truffle Shuffle is a very reddy brown. Chocolate Wasted is more of like a neutral kind of chocolate brown, and then Oh My Ganache is darker and also a little bit warmer, but I feel like darker is the biggest difference there. I also wasn't entirely sure what would be the best way to go about making these comparisons because I kind of want to compare everything to everything rather than just sandwich the new colors in between the older colors that I pulled out. And I'm really hoping that I can figure out how to get all the names on the screen because I haven't really thought about that yet, fitting everything on here. So again, we have Truffle Shuffle, Chocolate Wasted, and Oh My Ganache. These are all the newer colors. This one here is Espresso Patronum, which color-wise is pretty close to Oh My Ganache, but it has a finer glitter, which actually does give it a pretty significantly different look. And it is a bit darker and a bit redder, and you can really see that when you look kind of through the base color at the glitter. The glitter that's in there has a kind of like reddish tone to it. Next to that is Pardon My French Roast, which I would argue is pretty close to Truffle Shuffle. Again, a finer glitter, but the base color is really close. This is Pumpkin Spice Spice Baby, which is much more orange and has the same chunky glitter, but it's much more orange. These 2 I think are very close. This one, not so much. And then over here is I Like Big Mugs, which is kind of like a middle ground somewhere between the 3 of these. Not super close to any of them. It's a little bit lighter and a little bit warmer than Oh My Ganache, and not quite as cool as Chocolate Wasted and darker than Truffle Shuffle. So my favorite here is actually going to be Ruby Romance. I did really like Confection Affection, but I have to steer away from picking the gold flakies every single time. So with Ruby Romance, I really liked the base color. I liked that kind of soft, more muted pink. I like the reflective glitter, and I like how much gold you get out of the reflective glitter when you have it under flash. And it doesn't have to be under flash. There's a lot of indoor lights around my house that will catch the reflective glitter too, so it's not a wasted feature. It's not like you have to have the flash on your phone on it to really see what it can do. It will pick up like all over the house. I specify my house because I never leave. So that is the Painted Polish Sweet on You collection. Again, those are available right now, so I will link the Painted Polish website down below. I also have my coupon/affiliate code with Painted Polish, which will be on the screen and in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.